Hello guys, welcome back to 1-star reviews for robot vacuums on Amazon Part 2. In the last video, if you didn't watch it, we did the Shark AI. Today, we are going to be seeing 1-star reviews of the Roborock Q7 Max Plus. And if you haven't watched any of the videos about this Roborock on my channel, I actually have one. You can go see it in one of my videos. But let's see these reviews. I really love our Roborock. Alright, so let me check for 1-star. Hold on, it lagged a little. Hold on. It's covered by Medicare and most private insurance. So this review is from Julie W. Extremely disappointed. Even fine print says you have to pre-vac yourself at least 3 times real good before you start using it. Okay, fine. Fair enough. Did all that. I had it cleaning at least 3 to 4 times a day every day for a week, and floors look like crap. Little kids clean better than this robot vac. The price is ridiculous for the quality. My cheap $200 one I had previous to this did much better on the back. I wanted a mop feature. It self-cleans when it feels like it, so I just do it by hand most of the time, or it gets all clogged up. One neat person and 2 dogs who get weekly baths. Can't imagine if I had a whole family in here. It is yet to figure out a proper mapping of my house. Either it stays way off many edges while getting tight to corners. Makes no sense. The mop feature is a total waste of effort. Battery's supposed to last 1,900 square feet. Yeah, okay. I have 2,200, but close off 2 rooms, so it should be at the 1,900, and it does maybe half before it says it's done and goes back to the cradle. The mop water holder is so tiny. It is shared off with the dustbin split by divider. So it makes it through a room, then have to fill again, and the mop pad is attached and already showing signs of breaking down at 1 week. You have to scrub it by hand and it doesn't clean easily. So much for self-cleaning feature. Not that for that part, apparently. This thing isn't even gonna make it to the 30 return trial date. It's definitely going back. Save for months to buy it, and I hate it. Dang. Okay. That was a long read. Carpets are still dirty. Alright, now. Let's look for some more 1-star reviews. Okay. So this 1-star review is from Omar L. Did a lot of research and go over an iRobot because of its LiDAR mapping features. The cleaning is great, but the vacuum seems to ignore the invisible walls I put up that stop it from going onto the sliding door tracks that it gets stuck on. Over and over, it will just go to the tracks and stop the cleaning. It has been 4 hours now, and it still has not completed a single zone cleaning because I keep having to go pick it up. I will unfortunately be returning it, not sure why. Programming something as simple as respecting a boundary was so difficult. Update, it has gotten even more worse. The vacuum is now scratching my floor. Looking online, this looks like a common problem of Q7. I contacted customer service about this and they suggested that these scratches were already on my floor, but I had not noticed them. I sent them a follow-up picture showing them the perfectly parallel scratches that go along with the path of the robot. They have since ignored me. We'll be filing a complaint with my credit card company. Dang, and again, another long reading. Here's the next one. Terrible. This one is from SoCal Nana. If it doesn't want to go somewhere in your house, it simply will not add that area to the map. So after you have your whole house mapped out and ready to clean, you will see that it will not do half of the room, and you cannot have it remap one room. It has to remap the whole house all over again. After all the names have been added and the zones have been routed, and it will not go on a rug. So forget vacuuming your rugs with it. If it does go onto a large area rug, it will mop it. It does not have differentiate between floor and carpet. I wish I had done more research. $600 is a lot of money to keep and to keep messing with it. And further, as you can see by the picture, it doesn't mop the entire surface. Like it's half of the mop pad doesn't work. So I have to go back and mop the whole entire house again after this thing is done. And of course, the return window is closed. I will never buy this brand ever again. Okay, so I had to go back and mop the whole entire house again? Bro. You mean map? Okay, well, 5-star. S6 Pure? Alright. So, this review is from, sorry, let me pause the video. This 1-star review is from Samantha. I should have returned this sooner. Supposedly, this was the best robot vacuum. I don't agree anymore. I purchased one a while ago that was only sweeping, so that was only sweeping, so I returned it and got the one which both swept and mopped. The suction is great on it, but it is missing a lot of areas, which you can see here in the video. It completed the kitchen, but clearly did not get everything. I should have returned it sooner, and I'm a few days shy of the return date, unfortunately. I would likely resell it and recoup whatever money I can look and look for a different one. I like the convenience of this running while I work, but not if I have to clean up behind it, since that defeats the purpose of having it at all. Okay, let's watch the video. Oh. Dang, it missed all of that? Man. Dang, the side brush is spinning fast. Well, it's not. So it missed some of them. Let's go look for another. Oh! Don't buy! This review is from Jennifer Lee Ellingson. Don't buy. I enjoyed this product for a few months. Now every time I open the app to start cleaning, the Q7 is disconnected and I have to reconnect it, which takes 15 minutes. Less than 15 minutes. I tried updating it and resetting it 3 times. It just doesn't work. Their support is no help. If I could return it, I would. Yeah, that happened to me one time, so I agree with her. Because that happened to my Roborock one time. Well, I accidentally reset the Wi-Fi, so it didn't happen one time. So this 1-star review is from Heather J. Not so smart. Although the packaging for this vacuum is great, the positives end there. After assembling, charging, and starting the vacuum, there was a disappointment after disappointment. The suction power was awful. It barely sucked up any dirt up, and instead it just moved dirt around the room. When the vacuum attempted to go back to the charging base, it just spun around and would not go to the top of the charging base. After this very sad display from the new vacuum, I started my 3-year-old Eufy vacuum cleaner. After it went over the same area, that was just vacuumed, the Eufy dirt cup was full. Sadly, the Roborock Q7 lacks power and is just directionally impaired. Okay, mine collects a lot of dust. Like, Heather just could have changed the suction to the highest one in the app. Then it would pick up dirt a lot more easier. Oh, okay, I see how it goes. Dang, it's just spinning around. Oh, the Eufy G30? Oh, 3-year-old Eufy? Oh, I have one of those, but it's the G30 Verge. That's the the regular Eufy G30. Okay, so those reviews were 2 stars. We're looking for 1 stars. OMG, amazing. I named mine Rosie. I named mine Rocky. Okay, so let's see this 1-star review. This one's from G Money. Sent, broken, and used. Do not buy. We received this in a wrong box that was damaged. Opened it up, no paperwork. Machine was obviously very used and dirty. When we started our return, we were told to leave it outside for a UPS label. Then drive it to UPS. So I have plenty of time and waste and want to drive garbage around that you pay $500 for. That is the risk you take buying on this product. We purchased a new item, not used, not refurbished, but this clearly isn't even refurbished. Horrible quality control and ridiculous. It is on us to remedy. Buyer beware. Somebody said buyer beware in part 1. So I actually agree with G Money because look at the box. Bro, that's a box for the Roborock S7 Plus. That's the wrong box. Because that's the Roborock S7 Plus box. They're supposed to put it in a Q7 Max Plus box. Not the S7 Plus. Oh, man. Whoa. Dang, that one is broken. Alright, so this 1-star review is from GM. The vacuum system clogged after 2 uses. This vacuum has good app and control capability, but this seems poor as a robot vacuum with a tower. After literally the second cleaning of a relatively small area, 400 square feet, the system of transferring dust and hair to the tower failed and was not able to remove the dust and hair from the robot to the tower. If you have to manually remove all the vacuum material after every run, then you might as well just get the standalone robot vacuum and skip spending the extra money on the tower. So, I never got the check for air duct blockages error from the app. It just empties on its own very well. You should buy a new, oh sorry, did not mean to do that. Hold on. Sorry, I accidentally closed out of it. Hold on. I'm trying to go to... I'm sorry. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Alright, so next.
Also, it says unable to.
So. This review, 1-star review is from Evrim. Title, Disappointing Performance, Roborock Q7 Max. Title, Disappointing Performance, Roborock Q7 Max. Purchased the Roborock Q7 Max with high hopes, but unfortunately, it has been nothing but a disappointment. From constant Wi-Fi disconnections to unreliable mapping functionality and erratic behavior with the zone selection, this product has failed to meet even the most basic expectations. Despite being a loyal Roborock customer with another model that performs admirably, the Q7 Max has proven to be unreliable and frustrating to use. I urge potential buyers to consider alternatives or thoroughly research before investing in this model. You know, I've only let my Roborock mop one time. What's next? Not so worth it. Visible wall? Not so worth it. This 1-star review is from LF. Not worth it. So I attached this photo to show you what happened when we asked to show you. So I attached this photo to show you what happened when we asked for a zone clean up in our clean up of our kitchen. Rather than doing the entire kitchen, it just decides to do one square. We didn't realize that there was a time limit to return it. Unfortunately, it has closed. Well, I never want to return my Roborock because I absolutely love that thing. So, literally just love it. Next. Okay, so this review is from an Amazon customer. Does not connect to Wi-Fi. I've been trying for the past 2 days. It does not connect to the Wi-Fi. Every other device in my apartment does, except for this one. Very disappointing after spending all that money. I'm calling my internet provider to see if they could help, and if not, I will be returning this. Okay. So this review is from another... Oh wait, that's just another one. Sorry. So, best gate we've ever had. This review is from Best Gate We've Ever Had. Stops working for a few months in. I use it 3 times a week. Keep it tidy and clean. I bought it December 4. Stopped working August 2025. Didn't even last me 1 year. Okay. Greatest.
The best housekeeper in the whole wide world.
Alright, so this review, 1-star review is from Alicia A. Received views used product. Item received was covered in dirt with hair wrapped around the brushes. I was so excited to try this, but now I have to return it. Very disappointed. You know what? You know what, Alicia? When I got this Robo Vacuum, I did not get one that was used. I just got the new one, and it looks super cool. Wow, you just used one. And your used one is really dirty. Dang, there's dirt all over that brush. I received the new product. So, this review is from Sarah T. Pushes dust and dirt around, even on max. This is after cleaning on maximum suction and maximum mopping water. Most of the dust and dirt was left where it was. Very disappointed. Yeah, max suction is 4,200 pascals. I don't know why it would leave this amount of dirt. Like, why? So there's the robot right there. Suction power max. Alright, guys. Welp. That was all the 1-star reviews for today on the Roborock Q7 Max Plus. Anyways, I'll see you in part 3. Bye!